Hey everybody, it's Silver Seeker and welcome back to the channel. We have an awesome unboxing for you today. Inside this box is the 2022 Chronos series. Absolutely love this series, but additionally, this is my first video back from vacation, and the reason I mention that is we also picked up some awesome silver stuff while I was gone. So I wanted to share that stuff with you. Of course, I wasn't going to stop looking for silver just because I was out of town. So let's get into it, but really quick, if you're new here, do me a favor, don't forget to go down below and make sure you're subscribed. It's free for you, and it really helps me out, so I appreciate it. All right, let's get into this box and see what we have. Okay, so before I get into the box, let's start with some of the stuff that I found on vacation. I wasn't going to stop looking for silver just because I was gone, right? Take a look at these. So these go online for around 20 bucks. What these are is 10-gram Geiger silver bars. They have the COA in plastic. I was able to pick these up for 15 a piece. That was a fantastic deal for these. Glad to have those. I also picked up a couple of 1-ounce Geiger bars in the COA plastic as well. So I love picking up these Geiger squares. They're very cool. To see these little 10-gram ones, I was really excited about that because you don't see these very often, and they have a monster premium on them. Over $60 an ounce is what these typically go for. So getting them for less than that, I was very excited to get them. Some other things that I picked up, we did pick up one of these 1-ounce silver Simpson rounds. Take a look at that. This is 2021 Tuvalu. You have the entire Simpson family there. That was really cool. Was excited to see that. We also picked up, this was Republic of Ghana 2021. This is their alien coin. Take a look at the design on the reverse of this. That is really cool. 5 CDs is the face value. It is 1 ounce of silver. And you have this really awesome alien design right there. We also picked up, and I didn't know this, but this is the first ever silver coin from the Czech Mint. So you can see Czech Republic right there, 1 ounce of AG 99. You got the lion, very beautifully designed 1 ounce silver coin. And this again is their first 1 ounce silver bullion coin from the Czech Mint in 2021. So really excited. I actually picked up a couple of those. So I thought I would share those with you. I think they are beautiful. Thought you guys would like those. We also picked up, now this actually I ordered and it just happened to have come in while I was gone. But these are the 1 ounce silver, the 7 wonders of the ancient world. You have Temple of Artemis. Those are very beautiful. Now this one I did not find while I was gone. Again, this came in while I was on vacation, as did the 2022 1 ounce silver Cook Islands Bounty. I wanted to pick one of those up as well, so we picked up a 2022 Bounty. We also have this beautiful New South Wales coat of arms. Take a look at that. Very gorgeous 1 ounce silver coin. Man, the design of that thing is beautiful, so I was really excited to get that. We will have information for some of these down below. And of course, I picked up these 2022 1 ounce silver Somali Republic African Wildlife Leopard. These are gorgeous. Now, another thing I actually picked up while I was gone, those all came in while I was on vacation. I got more than one of a lot of those, but I just wanted to show you just one. This one I thought was really cool, so I actually picked this up. I saw this, I had to have it. So this is a little over, it's like 0.93 ounces, so it's not quite a full ounce of silver. It is pure silver. It's from the Medallic Art Company. And it is actually marked up here, Medallic Art Company, 99 fine silver. And it did test out as 99 fine silver on my Sigma Pro. But you can see we have the 50th anniversary of the Grand Canyon National Park. So 1919 to 1969, 50th anniversary. And it has a really cool high relief. What I really love about this one is how high relief it is. Like you can actually feel the ridges of the Grand Canyon right there. Really awesome. And even the wispy clouds, if you will. And then if you reverse, you can see you have the seal of the state of Arizona, 1912. But I thought that was really cool. So 1919 to 1969, Grand Canyon National Park, 50th anniversary. Again, not quite a full ounce of silver, but that thing right there was really cool. I'd never seen it before. Was happy to pick it up. All right, so you're probably wondering what these 2022 Chronoses look like. So we're going to go ahead and start by opening this box. This was the feature of the video, and these are absolutely gorgeous. I ordered these over a month ago, and they kept getting delayed and delayed and delayed, and finally they are here. So let's go ahead and tear into the box. All right, we will cut into the bag up here with my very dull knife. Oh, that is... All right, so we cut into it, and then we pulled out the invoice, so we don't need that for the video. We're going to go ahead and pour out what we actually have in this. All right, so we picked up some of the proof-like as well as the... You guys saw that live here, folks. That was not what I was trying to do. Holy smokes. I am not going to cut that out of the video. Enjoy that. They went flying. I hope they are all still... Yeah, they're all here. All right. So we picked up some of the BU as well as the proof-like 2022 Chronoses. So we should have them 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 20 right there. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of the proof-like. So that is what we have. So let's go ahead. We'll show you the regular finish, and then we will pull out the proof-like finish and then compare them side by side and see what the real difference is. But take a look at this. Now, our former and forever mod, I should say, AG Price, who we just lost a few weeks ago, the Chronos was his favorite coin series. In fact, his logo was out of the older 2020 Chronos. And I absolutely love these coins, and he did as well. So I wish that he was here to see this, but, you know, may he rest in peace, and he's getting to view this from up above. But these are absolutely gorgeous. The 1 ounce silver 2022 Chronos. Man, this one, just the intricate detail as I've rotated here. Under the 4K camera, by the way, we are recording in 4K, so if you have a 4K viewable device on your TV, make sure you up the resolution. But take a look at this. The design, the detail that they put into these Chronoses is unreal. Absolutely love these. All right, we'll put that back in the capsule because we want to take a look at the proof-like. Actually, we'll keep it out and see what the difference is here. Okay, so now that we have them decapsuled, we'll take a look at the difference. So on the left, which is this one right here that I'm shaking, that is the proof-like. On the right is the regular Brilliant Uncirculated. So you can see that it definitely has a much proofier finish, if you will, than the one on the right. And if we flip it over, it's a little bit more apparent on this side. So there's definitely a difference here as far as the design is concerned. Now, as far as minages, the BU one right here has a minage of 30,000. The proof-like one has a minage of 7,500 and is sold out as far as I can tell. So I'm glad I ordered 10 of those. Wish I would have ordered 20, but they are gorgeous. So I will definitely have one of these in my collection for sure, of both, as well as some extra ones here for the channel. But man, take a look at that, guys. That is beautiful. The 2022 1 ounce silver proof-like Chronos. Gorgeous. All right, guys, so that is what we had for today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and my first video back. I do have a lot of videos planned to be coming out very soon, so keep your eyes peeled for those. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you to all my channel members for supporting the channel. You guys, I really greatly appreciate each and every one of you, and we will see you in the next video.